So I'm 25 now. I'm born in 99. It's going into 2025. And it's going in 2025. It's going into 25. It's going into 2025. Relatives, all that. And in this year, I hope gratefulness is here. I think in my lifetime I've seen movies and movies and movies. Then they went to the house, from the theater to the VHS to the DVD player. There was Blu-ray machines, there was cable, there was dish, there was streaming. I could film my own movies, I could buy cameras, I could buy editing equipment, I could build my own stages, I could build my own studios. In this lifetime, we've seen people do every type of entertainment and every type of technology. There isn't time for a distraction. No, there isn't time, because you've seen it all now.